Welcome to SIRENNET Television. I'm Chris. Thanks for tuning in today for a look at a great product, especially if you are into off-roading and wanting to brighten up the world around you. This is made by Rhino, and it is the Xplor Bright Series 3x2 LED lights. So this is a whole kit. It's a pair of lights which are available in a flood or a spot. You have a splitter harness with quick disconnects that are waterproof, running into a single harness here, inline relay. There is a single rocker switch that illuminates when the lights are on. You'll see that in a moment. And that then goes into a inline fuse and simple connections for your battery terminals in your vehicle. And this is designed for 12-volt applications. So I'm gonna go ahead now, connect these to power. But the great thing with this kit is it's everything that you need. So really, you supply the vehicle, you can have this professionally done, or if you're wanting to, doing it at home in the driveway or the garage. It's really that simple. With this kit, the lights, very clean and stealthy. So I like the look that they have going on here, hence the Black Series design. So you have this heavy-duty cast aluminum housing. There's an adjustable bracket for each of the lights with included hardware, and a 2-diode with OSRAM LEDs inside. And these do have a black reflector assembly, keeping it with a nice and stealthy look, but it doesn't have any hindrance on the lighting output, which is 1200 lumens. So it's a little kit that packs a lot of lighting output. So these are really nice for any area around your vehicle. If you're looking for something for front lighting, spot or flood, sides or rear, you can go ahead and get as many kits as you need and put them all over. So with power connected down here, I'm going to quickly connect the harness. So this is going to make installation easy. Everything has connections on it. So as you're going from the engine bay to the interior, and then wherever these are mounted, you can tie them in here. And again, these are a waterproof connection. The kit is a IP68 waterproof rating, in case you're curious. But then the rest of the tech specs and part numbers, that's all on the product page, so make sure to give that a look. All right, with the flip of a switch, you are going to see what these lights will do. Alrighty, here we have it. Blind out the camera, shift them around a bit. And again, this is the floodlight. So this is going to have a wider but shorter spread. If you're looking for more distance with the beam pattern, that's gonna be the spot. But thinking about the front of your vehicle, in the grille, the bumper, roof rack, you could do these in a multiple setup, flood and spotlights accordingly, and independent switches. So again, very, very cool lighting kit from Rhino. Oh, and as I mentioned, you got your rocker switch, that's illuminated. And there you have it. So again, this is the Xplor Bright Series 3x2 LED lights, flood, spot options. Just select those accordingly when you're placing your order. I'm Chris. Thanks for joining me on SIRENNET Television. I'll see you next time.